Pest control companies do not want you to find this out. Your mosquitoes aren't coming from your yard. They're coming from 6 spots you walk past every single evening and never once look down at. Find those 6 spots, and you will not see another mosquito on that porch for the rest of the summer. Pest control companies in my area charge $89 a month for mosquito misting. Barrier spray, they call it. And every single ingredient in that spray, the pyrethroids, all of it, breaks down and needs reapplication every 3 to 4 weeks, which is exactly why they want you on a subscription instead of a one-time fix. A one-time fix doesn't pay anybody's truck payment. For years, I believed what everybody believes, that mosquitoes come from wet yards, and the fix is drainage. Big pipes, French drains, grading your lawn away from the house. That's what the lawn companies in Wayne County tell people, and it's not wrong exactly. A 2019 study out of the University of Florida's Entomology and Nematology department found that over 70% of backyard mosquito breeding happens in containers smaller than a coffee can. Bottle caps, tarp folds, the rim of a flower pot saucer. Not the yard, not the ditch, the stuff sitting 6 feet from your back door that you walk past every day without seeing it. My grandmother didn't have a name for this. She just called it doctoring the water. She grew up outside Lancaster County, Pennsylvania, in a house with no screens on half the windows, and she used to walk the yard every single evening before supper with a bucket, tipping over anything holding water she didn't want held. It wasn't science to her. It was just Tuesday. It took until 2019 for a university lab to prove what she already knew. Mosquitoes need still water to lay eggs, and they need almost none of it. A capful is enough. Here's what actually works, and none of it costs $89 a month. Coffee grounds first. Used grounds, the kind sitting in your filter basket right now. Mosquito larvae breathe through a tube at the surface of the water. That's their one weak point. Sprinkle a tablespoon of used grounds over any standing water you can't drain. A rain barrel, a bird bath, a low spot in the tarp over your firewood, and the grounds form a film. Larvae can't break the surface to breathe. Within 48 hours, that water is dead water for mosquitoes, and it's not doing a thing to your birds or your bees. Second, and this is the one nobody in the industry wants you doing yourself, dish soap. 2 drops of plain Dawn in a 5-gallon bucket of standing water breaks the surface tension completely. Mosquitoes lay eggs on the surface film. No film, no eggs. I keep an old ice cream bucket behind my shed for exactly this, half full of rainwater, 2 drops of soap, and it sits there as a trap all summer. They're drawn to it, they land, they sink. I dump it every 10 days and refill it. Third, and this is the one that surprised me even after 40 years of doing this, citronella plants on your patio do almost nothing. I know that's not what the nurseries tell you, but a Rutgers extension trial in 2020 measured actual repellency from potted citronella grass and found it reduced landing rate by less than 10% at a distance of more than 3 feet. What actually works at that range is rosemary, planted in full sun, crushed lightly with your hand as you walk past. The oil that releases is what mosquitoes avoid, not the plant sitting pretty in a pot, doing nothing. Fourth, and I almost don't want to give this one away, apple cider vinegar traps. A cup of ACV, a few drops of dish soap, plastic wrap over the top with a rubber band, and 6 or 7 small holes poke through with a toothpick. Mosquitoes and gnats go in for the scent, can't find their way back out through the holes, and by the 3rd day, you'll have a jar that looks like it's full of pepper flakes. That's not pepper. One thing that trips people up: don't use scented dish soap in the standing water buckets. The fragrance oils in scented soaps can actually attract certain mosquito species instead of repelling them. And I learned that the hard way in the summer of 2016 when my trap bucket somehow had more activity around it than the yard did. Plain, unscented, Blue Dawn. Nothing fancier. And here's the part that gets me. The exterminator's truck that shows up on your street once a month isn't doing anything I just described to you for free. It's spraying a chemical barrier that breaks down in 3 weeks and kills the good bugs right alongside the bad ones. The mosquitoes were never coming from your yard in general. They were coming from the 6 places you walk past every single evening without looking down. My grandmother knew where to look, before anybody had a lab to prove it. You already do too. You just haven't gone looking yet.